Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world.
Hey y'all, it's Kenny here. I'm back with another vlog today. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, honey, hello. I'm glad to see you guys are back. So I am on my way to see Tiff. She about to get my hair all the way together. I'm still trying to decide whether I want to do like straight backs with my braids or if I want to do just have her blow dry it out. But I find that sometimes I get too comfortable with a ponytail, so it doesn't force me to wear my wigs the way I really want to wear my wigs, you know what I'm saying? So I think I'm just gonna get my braid down, wear it for about a month. But neither here nor there. I'm on my way there right now. I'm running like maybe 10 minutes behind. You know, I don't even like to do that. I don't like to have her waiting on me. I don't like nobody waiting on me. But I'm about to get there right now, and then I'm gonna probably show y'all kind of what she does. So I'll set y'all up there. But until then, I will see y'all later.
Tell me what you said, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. Don't take it personal. You know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, but I love you.
No one can stop me.
Your girl is done. She got your girl all the way right. I got my fresh straight backs, baby. Yeah, I am too excited that I finally got braids. I can feel my scalp. My scalp can breathe, okay? And then she faded me in the back. I don't know if y'all can see that good, but she did get your girl all the way together. Y'all, I feel like a brand new woman. It's something about doing a little maintenance for yourself that takes it all to another level. Make you feeling, you know, good, you know? So I'm about to run and I'm gonna get me some gyros, y'all. I'm gonna get a gyro and probably like a gyro salad because, or a Greek salad, because that's what I kind of got the taste for. We gonna go home, eat, and then I'm gonna pick up some orders so I can drop them off at USPS, and then I'm going to head out to my nail appointment at 2. So we gonna do that and get everything going.
They terrible compared to how you had them.
Yes, they are.
Because they was really coming through.
Yeah, they didn't have no dents or nothing.
Lena about to hook your girl up with these busted ass nails.
Tell me what you said, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. Don't take it personal. You know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away.
Y'all, this camera be lying. It said I had 2 bars. Why I started filming that bad boy was like, we did. So y'all, I'm on my way. Good morning, y'all. I am on my way to the nail spa. This is the next day. Lena done hooked your girls' nails up. They looking good. So now I gotta get my feet together. Y'all, after moving, you kind of want to get you all the way together so you can be feeling good all over again. So I'm pulling up now. I'm like 15 minutes late, but whatevs, because I got shit to do. So long story short, we're about to go in here and get ourselves together. Oh y'all, I'm looking crazy. But y'all, I just made it to the UPS store. I had some packages, as y'all can see, that I need to take back. And so I'm gonna do that real quick and then head to USPS. And then I was sitting here thinking to myself, I need to go to Target. I also need to go to Homegoods, but specifically Target, because I need to get a fucking broom. Okay, because how do you move into a new spot and you ain't got no broom? Okay, I'm living a foul life right now, but it's cool. So I'm about to get me a broom and a dustpan. And then also I realized my freaking cuticles are so dry, and I cannot stand when you get a fresh set and people compliment you and your cuticles are dry as fuck. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't trying to be that person no more. I'm not trying to do that. So I'm about to pick up some cuticle oil too, and I think I wanna get another electric toothbrush. So we gonna go do that, y'all. So yeah, let me get in here, get this stuff here, and then head to the post office.
This one thing you so made me feel it. It's this one thing you did.
Hey y'all, so I have made it to Homegoods. So we're about to go in here and see what they have. So you guys, this is actually the section I was looking for to see what they had and possibly add it to my beauty room and or my home office. So I'm just gonna thumb through and see what they have. trying to see if I wanted to put some of the knobs on my beauty desk room, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to put them on my Alex drawers or not, but these are so freaking gorgeous. Okay, you guys, since I'm going to be doing a little TLC tonight, I'm probably going to pick up some of these pore scrubbers, but I want to get the one with the blackhead and whitehead tool. So I think I'm going to pick this one up. Oh, this one has the complete mask tool. I think I'm going to get this one, and then I'll get the other one so I can have both. Because I have one of these at home, but I really feel like you want to replace these after so much time. So I'm going to get this one. I'm going to get the other one. I am going to get me a loofah too. Not this one, but I'm going to see if they have some more around here. I'm going to get me a loofah, a new one. I'm gonna do me some TLC time tonight, some relaxation from all that hard working. And but they have like the perfect stuff over here, so I'm super excited to see what else they have.
Oh shit.
Y'all, have y'all ever seen a beauty fridge? I have never seen that before. If you have, then make sure you comment below. Y'all, we done made it to Target. Okay, y'all, so this is part of my whole little thing as far as maintenance and stuff. I just like to grab a few of these, because it's not just me, it's my husband too. So I like to just get those because they are really helpful when it comes to like keeping your immune system up. So we haven't done these since we moved, so I definitely want to get some of those. So I'm just basically comparing which one I want to get, and this one I already have at home, so I'm probably just gonna upgrade to this one since you do get the two brushing modes and a travel case or whatever. And of course, y'all, it's pink, so I'm gonna get this one today. I really want to try this. If anybody have tried the water flosser, let me know below, because I really want to try this, but I don't want it to be pointless, so I may just go ahead and get it and just try it out. So y'all, this is pretty much everything that I'm getting, so I'm about to check out. Made it home, and I am drinking tonight my Stella Rose in the blueberry flavor. This by far is one of my favorite. I love the black, but I also am really loving this blueberry. So y'all, if y'all have not tried it, honey baby, get on it. Okay, I've made my Brussels sprouts already. I'm making salmon, that is not done yet, and I'm also doing potatoes, but I'm really loving what my Brussels sprouts are looking like, and they're tasting really good. Okay, I did use the chicken broth and garlic salt and a little bit of pepper, and y'all, this is so flavorful. And it just tastes like little baby cabbages. So I'm trying to eat a little healthier, so I'm really loving the way that's tasting. And I will show y'all my my salmon once I'm done. So this is pretty much it for this vlog, y'all. I needed me a little me time, especially after moving. Need to get a little things together. But you guys, if y'all want to see more, make sure you comment below. Let your girl know. But I love you guys so much. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one.